Myself, Dr. Prashant Kumar Bolton, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, GIS College of Engineering, Kolani. My subject topics: Advanced Welding Technology, ME 703A. Objective of the courses: after completion of this course, all students will meet the following objectives: to impart knowledge on various advanced welding processes so that the student can apply them in engineering industry applications. We develop the knowledge on the design of welded joints and the quality control of weldments. Course outcome: upon completion of the course, the student will be able to achieve deeper knowledge of welding materials and the technology of welding processes, deeper knowledge of different metals and their properties in welding constructions, knowledge of quality techniques at production by welding, knowledge of current computer robotic system and cost of welding operations. Advanced Welding Technology, ME 703A, with 7 modules. Module 1, Introduction, Review of Welding Processes, Joining of Weld Joints, Joint Design. Module 2, Process of Friction Welding, Arc Welding, Filled Metal Arc Welding, Gas Metal Arc Welding, Submerged Arc Welding. Module 3, Solid State Welding Processes, Pressure Welding, etc. And Module 4, Friction Welding, Electron Beam Welding, Ultrasonic Welding, Laser Beam Welding. Module 5, Gas Tungsten Arc Welding, Plasma Arc Welding, Arc Welding Equipments, Electrode Selections. Module 6, Welding Metallurgy has weldability of plain carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum. Module 7, Welding Defects, Types, Causes, Inspection and Remedial Measures, Testing of welding joints by visual diagnostic test, radiography, ultrasonography, and safe practices in welding. Prerequisite of the subject is manufacturing technology, welding technology, joining of metals. This is COPO mapping of the subject. 4 COs, A1, A2, A3, A4, and against 12 POs. This is the average. Figure is given this of COPO against COPOs against COs. Lecture number 9 of solid state welding, which is a module 3 of advanced welding technology, ME 703A. By myself, Dr. Prashant Kumar Bolton, Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, GIS College of Engineering, Kolani. Welding processes: fusion welding, solid state welding. Coalescence is accomplished by melting 2 parts to be joined. In some cases, adding filler metals to join. Example: arc welding, resistance spot welding, oxygen welding, gas welding, etc. Solid state welding, heat or pressure are used to achieve coalescence, but no melting of base metals occurs and no filler metals is added. Example: forge welding, diffusion welding, friction welding. Classification welding processes: welding, friction welding, and solid state welding. In fact, most of the welding processes are friction welding, and also the 80% welding processes are covered by the friction welding. So, number 1, arc welding. SMAW means stainless metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, TIG welding, submerged arc welding, flash core arc welding, electrostatic welding, electroslag welding, etc. And 2 is gas welding. Gas welding. This is oxyhydrogen welding, oxyacetylene welding. Number 3, resistance welding, resistance spot welding, resistance welding, seam welding, resistance seam welding, perfusion welding. Number four, intense energy beam welding, plasma arc welding, electron beam welding, laser beam welding. Solid state welding, cold welding, roller welding, roll welding, pressure welding, diffusion welding, friction stir welding, and the plasma. This is a plasma arc welding. This is friction welding. Solid state welding is a group of welding processes that produce sound joints and temperatures essentially below the melting point of the parent metals and without bulk melting of the parent metals. Solid state welding processes have been widely applied in automobile, aircraft, aerospace industries because of their enormous advantages associated with the solid state failure features. Solid state features. Solid state welding is a welding process in which two workpieces are joined under a pressure, providing uh, intimate contact between them and at a temperature essentially below the melting point of the parent materials. Bonding of the materials is a result of diffusion of their interface atoms. Solid state welding, solid state welding, solid process are usually free of various solidification defects such as gas porosities, hot cracking, non-metallic inclusions, which may otherwise be present during the fusion welding processes. No filamentous, flux, or sealing gases is required during solid-state welding process. The metal being joined can have mechanical properties similar to or even better than that of their parent metals due to the absence of defects and heat-affected zone in most of the process. Solid state welding, in addition, solid state welding process are very suitable for joining dissimilar materials as their chemical compatibility, their thermal expansion, and conductivity are no longer important problem. Solid state welding, alternatively called solid state bonding, covers a wide spectrum of processes, including cold welding, friction welding, friction stir welding, resistance welding, diffusion welding, and explosive welding. Solid state welding. In this process, bonding is achieved through the deformation of diffusion at certain pressures and temperatures by using mechanical, electrical, and thermal energy. Like various fusion welding processes, which are well known, acquainted by industrial engineers, solid state welding plays an important role in special bonding of dissimilar metal joining. Types of solid state welding: forge welding, cold welding, friction stir welding, explosive welding, diffusion welding, ultrasonic welding. Advantage of solid state welding: weld bonding is free from microstructure defects. Mechanical properties of the metal weld are similar to those of parent metals. Non-consumable materials, filler materials, fluxes, sealing gases are required. Dissimilar metals may be joined, steel and aluminum can be joined. Advantage of solid state welding: weld bonding is free from microstructure defects, pores, non-metallic inclusions, segregation of alloy elements. Mechanical properties of the weld are similar to those of parent metals. Consumable materials, filler materials, fluxes, sealing gases are not required. Dissimilar metals may be joined: steel, aluminum, steel, aluminum alloy, steel, copper alloy, etc. Advantage of solid state welding: solid state welding can be easily automated. This process produces high strength joint without applying external heat. They are used to weld both similar or dissimilar materials. provide good surface finish. They does not use any filler metals or flux as used in arc welding. Mostly these processes do not affect properties of valence materials. It eliminates liquid phases. It can applied at different temperatures and under different stresses. Weld is free from microstructural defects. Disadvantage of solid state welding. Thorough surface preparation is required, deglassing, oxides removal, blushing, sanding, etc. High equipment cost or setup cost. Joint design is limited. Complicated and special fixtures are required for different courses. Mostly, this process can't be used for mass production due to slow welding speed. Application of solid state welding. Bonding of stainless steel liners in aluminum fry pan. Aluminum cladding bonded to uranium fuel rods. Number three, ultrasonic and thermocompression bonding in microelectronics industries. Friction welding in aerospace and automotive applications. Intake and exhaust automatic valves. Forge welding. Forge welding is a solid state welding process in which low carbon steel parts are heated to about 1000 degrees centigrade and then forged hammered. Uses forge welding is used in general blacksmith shops and for manufacturing metal parts, pieces, welded tubes. Advantage of forge welding, good quality welding is obtained, parts is intricate shape, can be welded easily, no filler metals is required. Disadvantage of forge welding, only low carbon steel may be welded, high level of operational skill is required. Slow welding process, weld may be contaminated by the coke used in heating furnace. Cold welding is a solid state welding process in which two workpieces are joined together at room temperature and under a pressure, causing a substantial deformation of the welded parts and providing an intimate contact between the welded surfaces. As a result of the deformation, the oxide film covering the welded parts breaks up and clean metal surfaces reveal intimate contact between these pure surfaces, provided a strong and defectless bonding. Material used in welding, aluminum alloy, copper alloy, low carbon steels, nickel alloy, and other ductile metals may be welded by cold welding. Application of cold welding. Cold welding is widely used for manufacturing bimetal, steel, aluminum alloy, steel. Perhaps the greatest use of cold pressure welding has been for joining of wire foils to wire to bimetals, and sealing of heat-sensitive containers such as those containing explosives. Detonators, for examples. Rod coils are butt welded to permit continuity in post-weld coil to smaller diameters. Friction welding. Friction welding is a solid state process in which two cylindrical parts are brought in contact by a friction pressure. When one of them rotates, uh, friction between the parts results in hitting their ends. Forge welding is then force pressure is then applied to the pieces, providing formation of the joint. Friction welding. This is the friction welding process. The one is rotating chuck, and this is non-rotating chuck. Axial pressure is given when it is rotated, it is given, and when it is touched, then it is fixed and the parts being in contact into the developed friction. Heat is generated and then joining two metal parts by giving pressure, and then this is finished product. Friction welding, rotating parts to no contacts, parts when brought into contact to generate friction heat, rotation of spark and axial pressure is applied, and heat is generated. Welding is performed. Welding is done. Applications and limitations of friction stir welding. Friction welding application shaft and tubular parts, industries, automatic aircraft forms, equipment, petroleum, natural gas. Limitation at least one of the parts must be rotational. Flash must usually be removed. Upsetting reduces the part's length, which must be taken into consideration in product design. Material used in friction welding, carbon steel, alloy steel, tool and die steels, stainless steels, aluminum alloys, copper alloys, magnesium alloys, nickel alloys, titanium alloys can be joined by friction welding. Friction stir welding, the invention of friction stir welding has been considered as one of the most revolutionary steps in welding technology. Friction stir welding is a solid-state weld joining process. The metal is not melted. That uses a third body cool tool to join two facing surfaces. Heat is generated between the tool and material. This is a friction stir welding. This is rotating, and this is a nugget. This is a welding nuggets. This is rotated, and pressure is applied. And this is unaltered material. Heat effective zone. This is heat effective zone. This is heat effective zone. Friction stir welding. Friction stir welding is a new solid-state joining process where a cylindrical solder tool along with the profile probe is rotated and fed to a contact diverts plate into the joint. Frictional heat generated between the wear resistance welding tool and the workpiece along with mechanical finishing heat cause the state material to soften without itching. Friction stir welding advantages: low distortion and shrinkage, no arc and no porosity, can provide in all positions, energy efficient, good mechanical properties, fatigue, tensile, bending stress, low environmental impact. Friction stir welding disadvantages: workpieces must be rigid, clamped, keyholes at the end of each weld, cannot make joints, which require metal deposition. Initial cost of the machine is very high compared to fusion welding. Application of friction stir welding, shipbuilding, marine industries, aerospace industries, railway and land transport. Explosive welding is a solid-state welding processes in which welded plates are metallurgical bond as a result of oblique impact pressure exerted on them by a controlled detonation of an explosive charge. Explosive welding, commonly used to bond two dissimilar metals, in particular to clad one metals on top of the base metals over large areas. Figure explosive welding still set up in the parallel configurations. This is detonator and this is clearance gap. This is a lacquer plate. This is anvil and this is fire plate and this is explosion. To during detonation of the explosive. So this is the duration. So this is fire plate and lacquer plate is joining together. Weld explosion surfaces with this is the pressure is given. So our expression to metal. Two plates are joined together. Explosive welding. Dissimilar metals may be joined by explosive welding. Copper to steel, copper to steel, nickel to steel, steel, aluminum to steel, tungsten to steel, titanium to steel, copper to aluminum. Advantages of explosive welding. Large surfaces may be welded. Low cost and simple process. Surface preparation is not required. Disadvantages of explosive welding: brittle material, low ductility, and low impact toughness cannot be processed. Thickness of flat plate is limited. Safety and security aspects of storage and using explosives. Diffusion welding. Diffusion welding is a solid-state welding process in which pressure applied to two workpieces with carefully cleaned surfaces and at and elevated temperatures below the melting point of the metals. Bonding of the materials is a result of mutual diffusion of their interface atoms. Diffusion welding, in order to keep the bonded surfaces clean from oxides and other air contaminations, the process is often conducted in vacuum. No appreciable deformation of the work pieces occurs in diffusion welding. Diffusion welding is often referred to more commonly to as solid-state welding. Diffusion welding is able to bond dissimilar metals which are difficult to weld by other welding processes. Steel to tungsten, steel to niobium, stainless steel to titanium, gold to copper alloys. Advantage of diffusion welding: dissimilar materials may be welded, high quality welding is obtained, no limitations in thickness of metals or work pieces. Disadvantage of fusion welding: time consuming process with low productivity. Very thorough surface preparation is required as compared to welding process. Relatively high initial investment in equipment. Ultrasonic welding. Ultrasonic welding is a solid-state welding process in which two work pieces are bonded as a result of pressure exerted to the welded parts, combined with the application of high-frequency acoustic vibration. Ultrasonic. Ultrasonic vibration causes friction between the parts, which results in a closer contact between the two surfaces with simultaneous local heating of the contact area. Interatomic bonds formed under these conditions, providing strong joints. Ultrasonic welding, this is the ultrasonic transducers, this is the sonotone tips, and this is parts to be welded. This is anvil, sonotone tips, this is, and the downward pressure, a force is the vibratory motion, this is anvil. Ultrasonic welding, general setup for lap joints and closed setup, close up weld area. Advantage of ultrasonic welding: dissimilar metals can be joined, very low deformation of workpieces surfaces, high quality weld is obtained. The process may be integrated into automated production lines. Moderate operator skill level is enough. Disadvantage of ultrasonic welding: workpieces may be bond. Workpieces may bond to the anvil. Only small and thin parts can be welded. Artisanal welding applications where terminations and slicing in electrical and electronics industry. Eliminates need for soldering. Assembly of aluminum sheets metal panels. Welding of tubes to sheets in solar panels. Assembly of small parts in automotive industry. Some MCQs. Question about at what temperature does fusion welding takes place? A 850, B 900, C 950, D 1000 degree. Correct answer is C. Which of the following is not a type of diffusion welding? Gas pressure welding, vacuum fusion welding, eutectic fusion welding, eutectoid fusion welding. D is the correct answer. Eutectoid fusion welding. Question number 3. What is the minimum frequency used in ultrasonic welding? A 10,000 hertz, B 20,000 hertz, C 30,000 hertz, D 40,000 hertz. 20,000 hertz is the answer for minimum frequency is required for ultrasonic welding. Number 4, in what condition are the parts kept before welding in ultrasonic welding method? A, low static pressure, B, high static pressure, C, low moving pressure, D, high moving pressure. A is the correct answer, low static pressure. This is the end of the class, solid state welding. We have discussed different solid state welding processes and different processes, resistance welding, spot welding, every welding processes, ultrasonic welding, cold welding, etc. we have discussed. Now the MCQ question also, 4 questions was discussed. Today is the end of this session, and thank you very much for your kind cooperation for this listening the total class. Thank you.